about to head to the shop, go put in work. What's up, guys and girls? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Waiting for parts for the Civic is killing me, guys. It's killing me. Just taking time. Work with me. Today we're gonna go work on my S2000, put some toe arms on it, do alignment, and go take it on the rip. Let's go, yo! Arms that are getting replaced is this crusty ass shit right here. This blows, guys. This is what we're working with. You have to cut it because the bolt seizes to the inner sleeve right here. You'll never turn that. If you use heat, it's a waste of time. Just cut it. Cut it. Takes about 5-10 minutes. Just cut it. Get it out of there. Buy yourself new OEM hardware. KTUNED arms. Never tried them before. Can't wait to run them. Back at it again the next day. Let's do an alignment.